Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if your YouTube is lagging. So this video will provide fixes for this problem. So the first thing that you can do is if your YouTube is lagging, just firstly check your Google. What I mean by that is check if it is updated on the latest version show here. Now, if it isn't updated on the latest version, as you can see here, it will give you the relaunch to update option. So basically what this will do is you will press on the relaunch to update option and it will then update Google to the latest version and it will match your YouTube. So this latest version update will help Google work faster, which means that automatically YouTube will work faster as well and your lagging issue will finish. If a problem still persists, what you can do is open up Task Manager, and from there you will end task of unwanted things. What that basically means is that you will slow down and you will make it speed up. The processes have been slowed down due to some unwanted things, and you will help speed it up. So we will search up Task Manager right here in the search option. And as we've opened Task Manager, simply what you can do is if you think any of these is unwanted, if any of these are not using currently, you can just simply go to pressing this. You can press any that is unwanted. Then after that, you will double click on this. After you double click, you'll see the end task option and you will press on the end task option. Now this will make your computer, make your CPU or memory run faster, which will in turn make YouTube run faster and Google. Then, of course, the third and last step is you can simply just refresh your Google, you can refresh your YouTube, or you can go to a faster Wi-Fi network. So you need to also check your Wi-Fi network if it's fast enough. If you're sitting too far away from your Wi-Fi, or if your Wi-Fi isn't working properly, of course, YouTube will lag and it will work slowly. So just make sure you check your Wi-Fi network as well. These are all the fixes that you can do for your YouTube lagging. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.